Hello everyone, once again I welcome you all to the official channel of Quality Academy. Today in this series we will take the lectures of polity and we will start from the very basic things and we will read the whole constitution in this series. So let us start one by one. We will read in this video. Indian Constitution. So let's have some basic brief idea what we are going to learn in this series. So in this series we'll talk about articles. In articles we will start from the first article 1 to 4. It talks about the state, how the India is formed, what are the basic norms which are followed by the India to be united. After then, from 5 to 12, from article 5 to 12, we'll study about the citizenship, here we will discuss one very important topic, that is CAA, Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. After that we will move further. Article 5 to 11, 12 to 35. Here we will talk about the fundamental rights. Here we will talk about the fundamental rights which are given to the Indian citizens. Fundamental rights. And after that, from article 36 to 51. This is part 1. Part 2. Part 3. And this is part 4. Part 4 basically talks about the directive principle of state policy, DPSP. These are the rights which are given to us, which are given to Indian citizens, and these are the duties which are performed by the state to give the fundamental rights to the citizens. And part 4A talks about fundamental duties. Wherever in this series, wherever I write capital A, wherever I write this capital A, it states that these laws, these articles are inserted in the Indian Constitution after the amendment. We did some amendment, after that we inserted this article in between. So that's why we write here capital A. Now you might be having basic doubt between what is article and what is section. So basically we have used the term article in the Constitution. We don't use the word section in the Constitution. Let us have some basic idea what is the difference between article and section. Let us some basic idea and we will read what is the basic difference between article and section. Suppose article and section. So suppose when the lawmakers they are writing the constitution, so they don't write constitution as a whole, they break the constitution into different parts. So each part they term it as article. You will find this word article in constitution, and you will find this word section in Indian Penal Code. IPC. This section word in Hindi is called as dhara. this section word in Hindi is called as dhara. जैसे you might have heard the very famous section 420 धोखाधड़ी वाला. So that is this section. This section is written in Indian and these are interrelated. Suppose we can relate we can relate section 420 with section 39. I think we can relate that. And this article, it is a law itself. We cannot relate article 19 with article 34. We cannot relate article 35 with article 47. They are law itself. Every article of the constitution can be law itself. So in the next video we will start this series, and slowly one by one we will read all the articles. With this, in this video we will learn till here.